Check the textbook, students. Exercise 4.3. Find the remainder when x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by x plus 1. So here we have to use remainder theorem. So using a remainder theorem, we have to find the remainder. So p of x is dividend. X cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is a dividend, that is p of x. So write down p of x is equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1, and so divided by, so what is divisor here? So divided by x plus 1. So x plus 1 is a divisor. We have to take it as g of x, correct? So g of x is equal to x plus 1. So here what we have to do is, in the remainder theorems, we have to take a g of x is equal to 0. So x plus 1 is equal to 0, and x is equal to transpose this plus 1 will get a minus 1. So in the same way we have solved in the previous sum. There they have given the value of x, and we have substituted that x value in the given polynomial. So we have got the value of the polynomial, correct? So the same method we have to follow here also. So x is minus 1, and this minus 1 we have to substitute in the dividend. In the place of x we have to substitute minus 1 the whole cube plus 3 into minus 1 whole square plus 3 into minus 1 plus 1. So minus 1 whole cube means, you know already, minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1, isn't it? Cube means 3 times we have to multiply. So minus into minus plus 1. Plus 1 into minus 1, it is minus 1 only. So we'll get here minus 1. And one more thing, you can remember like this also. If we get a power as odd number, and if its sign is minus, means always we'll get a minus here. If the power is even, we'll get a, if minus sign if they give, so it becomes plus. That thing you can remember. And here also, see here, the power is even number. If it is even number means we'll get minus also, it becomes plus. Minus 1 whole square means minus 1 into minus 1, minus into minus plus 1. So plus 1 into 3 is plus 3. Here plus into minus, minus 3 ones are 3, and this plus 1, write it as it. This plus 3 and minus 3 gets cancelled. Minus 1 and plus 1 gets cancelled. What is remaining? Remainder as p of minus 1 is equal to 0. So first problem we have solved. So in the same way we will solve the second problem from the exercise. Check the second problem in the exercise. Same Roman number 1, under that they have given 3-4 conditions. So p of x is same here, x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. So g of x is x minus 1 by 2. First step, what you have to do here? So you have to take g of x as 0. X minus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to, you have to transpose this. So minus 1 by 2 becomes plus 1 by 2. And this x value you have to substitute in the dividend. So what is the dividend here? P of x is equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. So in the place of x, what we have to substitute? We have to substitute 1 by 2. So P of 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 the whole cube plus 3 into 1 by 2 the whole square plus 3 into 1 by 2 plus 1. So 1 by 2 the whole cube means 3 times you have to multiply 1 by 2, correct? So what you will get? 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 1 into 1 into 1. So numerator, if you multiply, it become 1. Denominator, so it's 8. So what will get here? 1 by 8. In the same way, plus 3, write it as it is. So here 3 into 1 is 3. 2 square is 4. Plus 3 into 1 is 3 divided by 2 plus 1. So if we get the numbers in a fractions and its denominators are different, means what we have to do? To add a numerator, The first thing is we have to make the denominator common. So how to make the denominator common? So we know, isn't it, how to make the denominator common? We have to take a LCM of the denominator, that is 8, 4 and 2. If we take a LCM of 8, 4 and 2, the 8 is a common difference, correct? So 8 is there here. So 4 how much are 8? 4 2s are 8. 2 how much are 8? 2 4s are 8. So here 1 in a denominator, nothing is there, means value is 1. So 1 how much are 8? 1 8s are. So if you are making a denominator common, means the same number you have to multiply to the numerator also. So we'll get here 1 by, so denominator is same now, correct? So denominator is 8, numerator what is become 1 plus 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12 plus 8. So what 12 plus 8 is 20, 20 plus 6 is 26, 26 plus 1 is 27 by 2. So P of 1 by 2 answer is 27 by 2 is a remainder. So this is the remainder. Check the third question in the exercise. That is, find the remainder when x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by x. So here the P of x is, dividend is P of x is equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. So g of x is x. So we have to use remainder theorem, correct? So what I have told you, how to find a remainder theorem? What is the next step? So the next step is g of x, we have to make it as 0. So x is equal to 0. So this 0, x value is 0 now. And this 0 we have to substitute in the dividend. So now substitute in the place of x 0. So 0 cube plus 3 into 0 square plus 3 into 0 plus 1. So 0 square is 0 only, correct? So this whole part it becomes 0. 0 and this plus 1. 0 plus 1 is plus 1. So P of 0 value is 1. So remainder is 1. So in the same way, we'll solve next question. Check the fifth one. P of x is equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. And g of x is equal to 5 plus 2x. So here the same way, 5 plus 2x is equal to 0. So plus 5 you transpose. 2x is equal to minus 5. X is equal to minus 5 by 2. So into become division. So now x value is minus 5 by 2. Substitute. P of minus 5 by 2 is equal to minus 5 by 2 the whole cube plus 3 into minus 5 by 2 the whole square plus 3 into minus 5 by 2 plus 1. So what will get? Minus 5 by 2 means numerator 5 cube is 125. So minus this there, minus 125 divided by 2 cube is 8. 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. In the same way, here 5 square. Square is there. Here even number is there. So minus sign if it come and its power is even means, so minus become plus. So 5 square is 25. So here 3 into 25 by 2 square is 4. In the same way, 5 into plus into minus minus, 5 3s are 15 divided by 2 plus 1. So we'll solve the next step. So the next step is minus 125 divided by 8. So 25 into 3 is 75 divided by 4 minus 15 by 2 plus 1. So we have got the fractions. So we have to add a numerator, means we have to make the denominator common now. So how to make the denominator common? So we have to take a LCM of 8, 4 and 2. So the same thing, 8 is a LCM, correct? So 4 how much are 8? 4 2s are 8. So this is 8 only, correct? So 1s are, no need to write. 2 how much are 8? 2 4s are, the same thing you have to multiply to the numerator also. So 1 denominator 1. So 1 how much are 8? 1 8s are 8. So in the next step we got denominator as 8, same common. So numerator minus 125 into 1 is minus 125. 75 into 2 how much? 150. So minus 20, 60 plus 8. So subtract now. This minus and minus sign, if it comes, we have to add the numbers and we have to write a minus sign. So minus 125 minus 60 means minus 185, correct? So it's minus 185. Here plus means 150 plus 8 is plus 158 divided by 8. Again plus minus sign, it has arrived. So what we have to do, we have to subtract the numbers and we have to see the bigger number sign. So 185 plus minus 185 plus 158 is minus 27 divided by 8. So the bigger number is minus, so its value is minus. So P of minus 5 by 2, the remainder is minus 27 by 8. 4.2 exercise, under that second row number, find the remainder when x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a is divided by x minus a. So here they have given the p of x as, same thing we have to use remainder theorem here. So p of x is, dividend is x cube minus 6ax square plus 6x minus a and divisor is x minus a. So use p of x is equal to x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a and g of x is equal to x minus a. In the same way, in the remainder theorem, x minus a is equal to 0, x is equal to transpose this, it become plus a. So x value is plus a. Substitute in the problem. In the place of x, substitute a cube minus a into a square plus 6 into a, this minus a. So what happens here, next step, a cube is a cube, write it as it is. A cube into a is again a cube. We have to multiply, means the same variable, and if you multiply it means we have to add the powers. A power m into a power n, you know a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. The same way a power 1 into a power 2 here. So a power, the base is same, the variables are, the powers are different, isn't it? 1 plus 2. So what we'll get here, a power 3. That's what we did here. Plus 6 into a is 6a minus a. So the next step is, this plus a cube minus a cube gets cancelled. So 6a minus 1a is 5a. So P of a is equal to 5a. Exercise 4.3, under the third main, check whether 7 plus 3x is a factor of 3x cube plus 7x. So we have to check whether the given expression is a factor of the given polynomial 7 plus 3x is a factor of 3x cube plus 7x. So here 7 plus 3x is a divisor, 3x cube plus 7x is a dividend. So how to find whether it's a factor of a given dividend? So if we get a remainder as a 0, remember children, again I am repeating, if we get a remainder as a 0, so the given factor is a 7x plus 3x is a factor of 3x cube plus 7x. If we do not get a remainder as a 0, then it's not a factor. That's it. So here we have to check, and if we get the answer as a 0, then 7 plus 3x is a factor of 3x cube plus 7x. If we get any values there, so then the given equation is not a factor of 3x cube plus 7x. So you have to remember that. So we'll start it now. Same procedure we have to use here also, this remainder theorem. So here g of x is equal to 7 plus 3x. So put g of x as 0. So what will get, 7 plus 3x is equal to 0. 3x is equal to transpose this minus 7. X is equal to minus 7 by 3. So this x value we have to substitute in the p of x. Now what is p of x? P of x is equal to 3x cube plus 7x. So in the place of x, what you have to substitute now? Minus 7 by 2. Substitute. P of minus 7 by 3 is equal to 3 into minus 7 by 3 the whole cube plus 7 into minus 7 by 3. So 3 into 7 cube is how much? 7 into 7 into 7, that is 343. So minus is there. So minus is there means you have to write minus as it is, because the odd number, isn't it? Cube they ask. So 343 divided by 3 cube is 3 into 3 into 3, it is 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, plus into minus minus 7 7s are 49 divided by 3, 3 1s are 3 9s are 27. So what we'll get here? 3 minus 343 divided by 9 minus 49 by 3. So if we want to add a numerator, denominator should be common, but here the denominators are different, so we have to make the denominator common. Now 9 is there, here 3 is there, we have to make denominator common. So 9 and 3 LCM is 9. So 3 how much are 9? 3 3s are the same number, you have to multiply to the numerator. What will get here? 343 minus 9 3s are 27, 2 remaining, 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 2 is 147 divided by the common denominator is 9. So how much? 343 plus 147 is 10, 4 4 8 9, 314, so minus 490 divided by 9. Can we simplify further? 9, no. So this is the remainder. So P of x or P of minus 7 by 3, the remainder is minus 490. If we get a remainder any value, then 7 plus 3x is a factor of 3x cube plus 7x or not? No, isn't it? We have to get a remainder as 0. Then only the given factor 7 plus 3x is a factor of 3x cube plus 7x. So therefore 7 plus 3x is not a factor of 3x cube plus 7x because remainder is not 0. Remainder is not 0. If the remainder is 0, then only 7 plus 3x is a factor of 3x cube plus 7x. You have to remember this. So here we have completed 4.3 exercise.